15 hobbies that can replace mindless scrolling and actually improve your life. First, build something online. A page, a brand, or even a side hustle. Right now, online business is booming and people are building income straight from their phones. If you're still just consuming, you're already falling behind. Second, boxing or any combat sport. This changes you. You learn control, discipline, and how to stay calm under pressure. Third, chess or strategy games. You stop reacting emotionally and start making smarter decisions. Fourth, record yourself. Watch how you speak, how you act. It's uncomfortable, but that's exactly why it works. Fifth, practice communication. If you can't express clearly, people won't listen. Sixth, running. Because when things get hard, your mind will lie to you. Discipline is choosing to keep going anyway. Seventh, learn high-income skills. AI, coding, content creation. Effort without direction is useless. Eighth, learn sales and persuasion, because money follows influence. Ninth, learn to negotiate. Life doesn't give you what you deserve, it gives you what you negotiate. 10th, strength training. When your body gets stronger, your mind follows. 11th, walk without your phone. No music, no distractions, just silence. 12th, write daily. Clarity comes when you see your own thoughts. 13th, read with purpose, because what you consume shapes your mindset. 14th, learn video editing. Turn your time into a real asset. 15th, journal honestly, not fake positivity, real thoughts. You don't need all 15. Pick 2 or 3 and stay consistent, because your life doesn't change by watching. It changes when you start.